What's up, everybody? This is Corey from My Two Cents, and we are back to do a quick overview of this Spigen glass screen protector. So this is for the iPhone 6s or the 6, and it's basically got all the same things every other glass screen protector says it has. 9H hardness. It's got a tapered home button cutout, which is kind of nice, but it does raise it a little bit. Rounded borders. It's anti-chip. It's anti-touch, all that same stuff. So here's the phone we're going to put it on. This is an iPhone 6s, as you can see. Let's go ahead and pop this thing open and see what it comes with. So let's see some basic information about it and all the things that it has with it. Our little original Spigen. So you can see this proof. Wet and dry wipes. We have a dust remover also. We have a microfiber cloth. We have some instructions here in many different languages. So let's find English here real fast. Look at that, it's probably the front cover. And so basically it's just saying, wash your hands, peel the protective film off the back of the glass using the tab, align the glass, place it down, pull it off, and then use the microfiber cloth to pull out any bubbles if you need to. So you must basically clean it off first. And the one good thing about this is it does have these two tabs on it, which does help lining it up, which is pretty nice of Spigen to put on this particular piece of ballistic glass. But as you know, there's a lot of protectors out there that have a halo effect on it. So we're going to take a look at this one and see if this is one of those pieces of glass that has the halo problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our phone here. We're going to go ahead and just wipe some of the junk off here real quick with this microfiber cloth. Make sure that not too much stuff's going on it before we use our wet wipes. Give it the best chances to stick as possible, so then we can use our wet wipe. We're going to scrub the phone down and get any of the gunk off of the front of the phone. And the whole point why I'm doing the installation on camera is so you can see how I install it. So if you think it's flawed, you can always definitely buy the glass or comment or whatever you want to do. But I think it just gives it a better review if you can see how I install it and that I follow the correct procedure. So now we've wiped it down. We're going to go ahead and use the dry wipe and clean all of the wetness off. Make sure it's nice and dry. Help remove any of the fingerprints or anything else that might be on it. So just make sure you're careful about touching the glass at this point. Alright. With that done, the next step is you could use a dust remover, the sticker, and put that on top of the piece of glass and pull the dust up if you need to. It's not always necessary unless you're working in a fairly clean air environment, but it's always kind of nice to do. It's there, you might as well use it. So just using that to help pull any of the micro dust particles that would cause any bubbles underneath the glass. Perfect. Now that we have all the dust off, it is nice and clean. The next step is to go ahead and put our piece of glass on. We'll go ahead and remove the back film cover off of it using the two pull tabs, the top and bottom. Try to line up the home button at the bottom and then the cutout for the earpiece speaker at the top. And you want to get this as close as possible. You don't want any overhang. This does have a curved edge screen on it. So what that means is if you don't get it centered, you might have one edge pulling back. And it's adhering. And honestly, it looks like it's going to have some halo going on here. We won't judge it just yet. We'll take it off here real quick. It might just be the plastic cover. It looks like there's a couple bubbles underneath the glass here as well. It's pretty straight on. But yep, it's got halo all around the glass itself. Which, you know, if it was aligned incorrectly, you'd see halo on one side and not on the other. But you can see this goes all the way around the phone, even at the top up here. Normally that comes because the glass on the phone itself is curved, and the ballistic glass that they made is too big to fit on just the flat portion of the screen. But it looks like it's sitting flat. It looks like the edge glue just might not be that great. Now, I left this on here for a solid 2 weeks and no change, and eventually one of the sides that wasn't put down cracked. So I'd give this maybe a 6 out of 10 on the buy. Anyways, hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.